up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make these cute V-Day themed cake pops. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay guys, so here are the things that we are going to need. I baked a strawberry cake. You can do any flavor. I decided to go with strawberry just because like it's pink and I don't know, it just matches the V-Day theme. We will be using these paper straws. I believe they were $3 for 40. Oh yeah, it says it right there. $3. Those are from Target. And then you are going to need white chocolate, one for your pizza cake pop and one for your heart cake pop. And then we are going to be using candy coloring by Color Mill in the color raspberry, red, and nude. Also these cake pop molds, green chocolate and black chocolate for the toppings, and some Ziploc bags. Alright, so it's time to make our cake pop dough. All you want to do is just remove the parchment paper from the cake and start crumbling it up. There's another option. If you don't want to do it by hand, you can also use your stand mixer and it will be easier and faster. If you have a big order, I do recommend to use the stand mixer just because this process is time consuming and is tiring. So yeah, I highly recommend to use the stand mixer, but if it's just like a small order, just use this. Avoid dirtying more dishes. Our cake pop dough is ready, so let's go ahead and start melting our chocolate. And once your chocolate is fully melted, we can go ahead and start dyeing it with our candy coloring. A lot of you guys requested for me to do a tutorial on the 1 spoon box. I will be working on that video next. Right now I'm working on the berry talk video. In that video I will show you guys how to pick strawberries, how to wash strawberries, and all that good stuff. So if I don't post the 1 spoon video this weekend, I will be posting it next week. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start working on our cake pops. So what you want to do is just grab a little bit of dough and make a ball, a decent ball. It doesn't have to be that perfect, but also you don't want cracks because cracks are not your best friend. So once you have like a decent ball, you can go ahead and use your mold and squeeze out the excess dough. And there you have it, a perfect heart. I am so happy I invested in these molds. They have a lot of options and you can get them from two places, lavendersbakeshop.com and mylittlecakepops.com. I will be putting the link down below. So moving on to our pizza cake pop, we are basically going to repeat the process, remove the excess dough, and ta-da, you get a perfect cone. But obviously pizzas don't look like a cone, so we are basically going to shape it with our fingers. To create the crust, I used a paper straw and just slightly pressed down and ta-da! I need to stop saying ta-da! and there we go, we created a crust. Okay, so go ahead and grab the paper straw, add a little bit of chocolate, and insert it into the heart carefully. Also do this process very gently, because if you put a lot of pressure on the heart, you will lose the heart shape. Say pizza is one of my favorite food. So I personally get my pizza with white sauce, so basically Alfredo sauce. And for the toppings, I do not put pepperoni because I don't know, it just feels weird, pepperoni with white sauce. So basically I go all veggie style. I don't add any meats. Like I think I'm gonna put like right here on the screen how I order my pizza so you guys can try it, and it's just like so freaking good. Bon appetit. Oh my god, now that we're here talking about pizza, I want to ask you guys, do you guys like pineapple on your pizza? Oh my god, we're gonna have like a whole debate in the comment section, just because like I know a couple people that don't like pineapple on their pizza, and I'm just shook, okay, because I love pineapple. Pineapple is like the best topping on a pizza. I always add extra pineapple to my pizza. I don't care if they charge me extra, but it's just so good. It just gives it that pop, like that flavor. Okay, now I'm craving a pizza. But I normally get my pizzas from Mod. Moving on to our heart, I decided to add glitter. At first I was just gonna leave it like that, but it looked too simple for me, so I went ahead and added edible glitter by the Sugar Art. So my camera died, so I wasn't able to record the red sauce process, so I just basically did the same thing like I'm doing now for the yellow. Okay, let's go ahead and start adding the toppings. I highly recommend to do this when your yellow cheese is wet. I don't know, I just like the presentation. You can also wait for it to dry and then add the toppings, but it's just gonna look a little too bumpy. We are finally done, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do recreate this box, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram at Sprinkle Sugar Pop so I can share your work. So yeah, this is a pretty fun and cute box. I feel like this box would be perfect for like a friend or your little ones, or even for your kids' classroom, honestly. But yeah, this is basically how I package and how I do the bow on the box. I will be putting the PDF of the tags that I did, so you can go ahead and print them out and use them for your treats. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much, and God bless.